How to turn off VolTE calls. To disable VolTE, voice over LTE calls on your iPhone, follow these steps. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then simply tap on the cellular option available there. Then tap on the cellular data options. Once inside the cellular data options, tap on the voice and data at the top. And once you tap on the voice and data, you will get to see VolTE option available at the bottom. Make sure it is toggled off. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.